Have you ever wondered why light switches make that satisfying click sound? Here's the science behind it. Inside a switch there's a spring-loaded mechanism. When you flip it, the spring snaps two electrical contacts together, or pulls them apart, instantly. This snapping action prevents arcing, tiny electrical sparks, and ensures a reliable connection. The click is just the sound of the spring doing its job. While some switches are silent, that click is designed to let you know the circuit is on or off. Bright idea, right? Hit like, tap subscribe, and follow World Science Hub for more everyday science explained.